Now we will move to exercise 7.2 and we will solve the examples of exercise 7. Questions of 7.2. We have solved all the examples related to exercise 7.2. Now see first question of exercise 7.2. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equals to AC, a isosceles triangle ABC, AB equals to AC. It is given the bisector of angle B and C intersect at each other at all. The bisector of angle B and C intersect at O and join to AO. Join to AO so that OB equals to OC and AO bisect angle A. So question number 1, what is given? Given is that in isosceles triangle ABC, AB equals to AC, that is angle B equals to angle C. BO is bisector of angle B and OC is bisector of angle C. Now to prove, what we have to prove? We have to prove BO. First, OB equals to OC, and second, AO is bisector of angle A. Now what we will see, now see how we will prove. Here solution. Since AB equals to AC, given AB equals to AC, means the side of triangle AB equals to AC, means angle B will be equals to angle C. So angle ABC, angle ABC equals to angle ACB. What? Angle ABC equals to angle ACB. So half of angle ABC will be equals to half of angle ACB. Yes? And see, half of angle ABC, half of this angle will be this and half of angle C will be this. So what we will have? We will have angle CBO. CBO will be equals to angle BCO. What? Angle BCO. So see here, in a triangle, now consider you triangle OBC. In OBC, this angle, in triangle OBC, angle CBO and BCO are equal. This implies that in a triangle when two angles are equal, means that triangle is isosceles triangle and opposite of this will be equals to this. How can we assume? By theorem 7.3. In theorem 7.3, what we have given, in a given triangle when two angles are equal, what? When two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. So from, consider this one, from 1 we can conclude that triangle OCB is isosceles triangle. What isosceles triangle? That is OB equals to OC. First part we have proved. First part, what is that OB equals to OC? That we have proved. Now what we will prove? We have to prove that AO is the bisector. Now see what we will have when we will take again half of angle ABC and half of angle ACB. When we will take again half of angle ABC and half of angle, then what we will have? See. Now we will take half of angle ABC and half of angle ACB. Then this will be equals to this. I am marking by blue marker. See, this will be equals to this. Yes or no? So angle ABO will be equals to ACO, and we will take triangle then ABO. Again taking angle ABC equals to angle ACB and half of angle ABC, and what half of angle ABC and half of angle ACB. Half of angle ABC and half of angle AC will be what? Angle ABO equals to angle ACO. Consider this is 2. What is considered? Consider 2. Now take triangle ACO and ABO and ACO. Now in triangle ABO and triangle ACO, we have what we have? First thing, AB equals to AC, that is from given, and angle ABO equals to angle CO from 2, and BO equals to OC. Proved. What? Proved. So by SAS congruency theorem. Why? SAS congruency theorem, triangle ABO congruent to triangle ACO. Now we have proved that the triangle ABO congruent to triangle ACO means this angle will be equals to this angle. Yes or no? This angle will be equals to this angle. So when this angle is this, then double of this angle will be angle A. So yeah, we now by CPCT, what we have? Angle BAO equals to angle CAO, and angle AAA equals to sum of angle BAO plus angle CAO. So angle A can be written as angle BAO plus angle BAO. So angle A is twice angle BAO. So angle BAO is equals to half of angle A. So this is third point. From third point we can conclude that AO is the bisector of angle A. What? From point third we can conclude that from point third we will from 3 we conclude that AO is bisector of angle A. That is proved. Here our question has been proved. So in question number 1, what was the main thing? You see, in question number first, ABC is isosceles triangle is given, and in this triangle you have to prove that OB equals to OC and AO is the angle bisector of angle A. So first thing, सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि जब AB equals to AC है तो क्या होगा, एंगल B equals to एंगल C होगा, जिसका नाम हमने क्या कर दिया ABC और ACB. तो इन दोनों का हाफ क्या होगा, दिस एंड दिस. जब कोई भी ट्राइंगल में दो एंगल इक्वल होते हैं तो उससे क्या होगा, अपोजिट एंगल, अपोजिट साइड्स क्या होंगे, इक्वल. क्यों? क्योंकि कन्वर्स ऑफ 7.2 थ्योरम या बोल दो थ्योरम 7.3. ये हो गया. व्हेन वी हैव प्रूव्ड दैट दिस OB इक्वल्स टू OC. अब हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है कि हमें AO इज द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल A वो प्रूव करना है. उससे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये एंगल और ये एंगल को इक्वल कर देंगे. ये एंगल ABO और ACO को इक्वल कर देंगे. कैसे इक्वल कर देंगे? बाय टेकिंग हाफ ऑफ एंगल B एंड टेकिंग हाफ ऑफ एंगल C. हमने ये इक्वल प्रूव कर दिया. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ट्राइंगल ABO लेंगे और ACO लेंगे. इन दोनों ट्राइंगल को हम लोग क्या करेंगे, कंग्रुएंट प्रूव करेंगे. क्या प्रूव करेंगे, कंग्रुएंट प्रूव करेंगे. किसको, ट्राइंगल ABO को और ACO को. और AB इक्वल्स टू AC गिवन है, हमने ये लिख दिया. और ABO और ACO को हमने एंगल प्रूव कर दिया और BO और OC हमने पहले प्रूव कर दिया. तो बाय SS कंग्रुएंसी हो जाएगा. उसके बाद क्या होगा, बाय CPCT क्या हो जाएगा, BAO इक्वल्स टू CAO. और एंगल A क्या होगा, इन दोनों का सम है. तो क्या होगा, एंगल A विल बी हाफ ऑफ एंगल BO. तो हम we have taken this is point third और हम from point third we can conclude that AO is the bisector of angle A. Now see question number 2 of 7.2. What is given? In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector. AD is the perpendicular bisector. AC is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So that triangle ABC is isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC. ABC is a triangle and D is the perpendicular bisector. AD is the perpendicular bisector, means this equals to this. So this will be 90 degree. And what we have to prove that AB prove that given, right? Given in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular bisector. What? In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector. To prove triangle ABC is isosceles triangle or AB equals to AC. What? AB equals to AC. Now see proof. What we will take? We will take triangle ABD and ACD. What we will, AD will be common, BD equals to CD and angle BDA equals to angle CDA. Now see, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we have what we have? AD equals to AD common and BD equals to CD. Why? AD is perpendicular bisector of BC and angle BDA equals to angle CDA, each 90 degree. What? Each 90 degree by SAS congruency. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD by CPCT AB equals to AC. Proved. Thank you. Have a nice day.